dude. What a mess, let me tell you. If the folks at home thinking, hey, it doesn't look so bad, maybe I'll head out, see how bad it is. Trust me, speaking from experience, being on the road since 4:30 this morning, this is no joke, and no fun at all. You'll just end up giving yourself a huge headache for the long amount of time that you'll be waiting to get through anywhere. People are getting stuck in the snow left and right, and we're not just talking about regular cars. We're talking about big trucks, many of them with four-wheel drive, that are getting stuck in these huge snow drifts. Looks like we're stuck again. Yeah, people getting into their cars thinking they're going someplace, getting back out of their cars. I think we're stuck again. If somebody stops, we'll find out what the situation. Oh, here we are. We're moving. So since we're moving, we'll get back to you and tell you what the situation is the further we get out into Suffolk County.
Okay.
That's the latest here, though. We'll send it back to you.
Hazel, thanks so much. So in real time, we get an idea of the